Welcome to Study Live. We are seeing the chapter The Living World, and in this session we would be continuing with our topic on binomial nomenclature. So this topic, which is binomial nomenclature, let us start with an example over here. Now in this we are taking the example of sunflower. Now this sunflower is known as Helianthus anus. Helianthus anus, and we'll take another example of jowar, which is known as sorghum vulgare. Sorghum vulgare. We know our common example of mango, which is known as Mangifera indica. So as you can see, these are the examples of the scientific name which was put forward by Carl Linnaeus. Now, if you see this name, you can see that in this kind of scientific name, there are two words. So let us see what are the rules while doing this binomial nomenclature. So let us see the rules for binomial nomenclature. First rule is the names should be in Latin and Greek language. It will be either Latin or it is going to be Greek language. Both the words or the name is in Latin or Greek language. Latin or Greek language. Now the first name or the first word is always a noun, and it is called as generic name or the name of the genus. So our second rule is the first name is a simple noun. It is going to be a simple noun which is the generic name. It is the generic name which indicates the name of the genus, and begins with a capital letter, and so it is going to start with capital letter. This is the first name rule. So as you can see over here, in the above example, we have Helianthus as the generic name or genus name, or over here in the second example, we have sorghum. Now, it is a simple noun. It is a generic name of the genus. Over here is the most important word, which is the name of the genus, and always begins with the capital letter. So you can see Helianthus H is capital and sorghum S is capital. Let us see the third rule. The second name is the descriptive adjective. So the second name is going to be descriptive adjective, which is specific name. Specific name or indicates the name of the species, and it begins with a small letter, It is going to begin with small letter. So there the rule was capital letter, here the rule is small letter. So it is going to be a descriptive adjective, which means a describing word to the simple noun, and it is known as the specific name, which is indicating, this is the most important word, it is the name of the species and begins with a small letter. So the third rule over here is, you can see very clearly both the words are written separately. So the fourth rule over here are both words are written separately they are written separately and underlined. So both the words have to be written separately and underlined separately. The underlining has to be separately. It should not be joined. As you can see over here, both the words are written separately and they are underlined separately. Now when they are printed, it is in italics. The font which is used is, when printed, it is in italics. So this is the fourth rule. Now the number of alphabets which should be present gives us the fifth rule. Now both words individually, both words should not contain, they should not contain, should not have less than 3 or more than 13 letters, or more than 13 letters, means the number of letters should be between 3 and 13. It should not be less than 3 or more than 13 letters. Now the sixth rule over here is the name of the author. The name of the author means the one who has given the name. The name of the author is either written in full, means his full name is written, or abbreviated, only the abbreviation of the name is written. Let us use these 6 rules and give the binomial nomenclature for mango. So for mango, the scientific name which is known as the binomial nomenclature for mango is, first, the generic name or the name of the genus is Mangifera. So you can see that it is beginning with a capital letter. This is the first, that it is beginning with a capital letter. Then the species name is Indica. Indica is the species name. Now both the words are written separately and they are underlined separately, and they are containing more than 3, they are containing more than 3 and less than 13 letters. They should not have less than 3 and more than 13. So you can see over here there are 9 and over here there are 6 letters. So, and the name of the author is either written in full or abbreviated. So we have a dot over here and L, where L is standing for Linnaeus. L is standing for the name who has given, who is Linnaeus, Carl Linnaeus. So this is the binomial nomenclature for mango. So this was the rules for binomial nomenclature which we have seen. These are the rules which are used while naming an object as per the binomial nomenclature. So with this we complete our topic on binomial nomenclature. For more videos, please stay tuned with Study Live. Thank you.